Reel that won the Juvenile Fillies grass event yesterday on Ladies Friday. We're all set. Race number 4. 8 straight Breeders' Cup races. Championship Saturday. Here's Trevor Denman.
Juvenile turf. And away they go to a very good beginning. Pluck is slow into stride though. Madman Diaries wants the early lead and he sprints away to lead it. Band is getting up to race in second. Air Support is keen to go on in the white cap. Manitoba, Frankie Dettori having to take back down at the rail. On the extreme outside, Humble and Hungry's running up alongside of them as well, and Soul Dat is in the vanguard as well. The pace good. Oh, going down at the back here. We have Rough Sailing. Rough Sailing fell on the turn. Rough Sailing is on his feet. The rider's up as well. They move on to the backstretch now, and it's on the outside we have going up to take the leaders, Humble and Hungry up alongside of that, Madman Diaries. They followed by Air Support. Band is in the 4th spot. Soul Dat is down at the rail. Then Wilcox in. Behind that is Manitoba, ridden along 7 lengths off the leaders. Now here is Master of Hounds, and Master of Hounds also 7 to make up. In behind that comes Utley, who's racing back 3rd last. Deciphering Dreams is 2nd last. And Pluck as the trailer has 10 to make up. They bunching up as they come to the top of the lane. Madman Diaries is still the leader. On the outside, here comes Band with a nice run in the gold cap. And Band is now coming looking for the lead. And it's Band and Joel Rosario striking the front as they turn for home. Humble and Hungry. Now Master of Hounds is unwinding his run in the center of the track. Soul Dat is on the inside. Homeward bound Madman Diaries has run a big one. Band is right up alongside of that. Soul Dat. Now here comes Pluck out of the clouds. And Pluck looking like he just jumped in at the quarter pole, and Pluck from last to first, winning it in a canter. Pluck and Garrett Gomez have taken the Juvenile on the turf. Second will go to Soul Dat, close then for 3rd.
Pluck from out of the clouds, another win for Garrett Gomez, another win for Todd Pletcher, and Pluck absolutely flying, Simon, at the end of this race. Soul Dat ran a winning race in defeat, finishing 2nd, but Pluck was dominant.
Certainly was. Look at him. He's back last here. He was last.